Let's see how to check whether my laptop supports Wi-Fi 6 or not. So to do that, in our search bar, just need to type CMD, then press enter. Now we have to write here net sh space wlan space show space drivers, then press enter. Okay, now from there we have to look for this radio type supported and this line. If we find in this line 802.11ax, that means our laptop will support Wi-Fi 6. But in case of me, I don't see here 802.11ax. As it is not showing here, it means that my laptop is not supporting Wi-Fi 6.